If you don't want to turn your refrigerator from this to this, then do not get this 40-piece food storage container set. They come in rectangular and square shapes. So let's talk about some of the good things. One thing I love is that it's stackable, which is a huge space saver. As you can see, they fit right into each other. The 4 latches make these containers leak-proof. Kid tested, mother approved. Guess what? They're also dishwasher safe and microwavable. So it's easy to take your meal on the go for work or send it with the kids to school. Whatever you prefer. Just make sure you click that link and go get yours now.